Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert image into an Excel cell without moving. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Excel workbook. Now we can see here the image field. Now we want to insert image into cell. Go to the insert menu first, please select the shape drop down menu and select the rectangle, then draw the rectangle to the cell, press and hold the alt on our keyboard. Select the shape and go to the shape format menu. Choose the shape outline and select no outline. Click the shape fill and select picture. Then choose from a file. Now I am select image from our file. Now I am select a image and click insert. Now we can see we insert a image. Now we select another cell and make same process. Select the from file option, then choose another image. Click insert. Now we can see we insert image into an Excel cell without moving very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.